Hey guys, and today we're going to do a HTML tutorial part 5. So we'll be going through comments and quotes. So we'll be going through block quotes, bi-directional cite, and comments. So block quotes. So block quote is when the paragraph or sentence is indented in the cite. So this is an example right here. So where it says right here, so it's indented. Right there. Alright. Quote. So the Q tag gives a speech mark around the sentence allocated. So here's an example right here. So a bidirectional cite. So the BDO tag shows the sentence in a different direction. You can either write the sentence to the left or to the right. So here's an example right here. So it's a bit of an odd one. And comments. So comments are something that is not displayed in the HTML browser and only displayed in your HTML software. Comments can be useful for taking notes or marking something important. So there are comments right here. So we don't have an example, but I'll show you the example in Sublime Text. So here we are on Sublime Text, and let's go through the first one. So let's go through block quotes. So let's just write paragraph, then write line, we could write line is indented, and for the block quote we just have to write the brackets and then write block quote. That's it, simple as that. And then just write anything else. So just write anything. So we could write the line indented. Alright, so save, refresh, and here the line is indented right here. So we could use another example. So paragraph, line indented, and below here block quote. This is indented. So right here, line. So just line below me is indented. So you can see it is indented. So let's go for another example. Let's go through quotes. So this one is just going to be simple and easy. So just write paragraph, and John said something about World War II. Then just write Q. Just write that. Then write the war is terrible. Alright, so we could just save and refresh. Then we get the quotation right here. So you can see those quote marks around the war is terrible bit. So yeah, so we could do another example. P Sam said something about the robbery. Then I'll do that, then put a quotation around it, then write they stole a lot of money. Then just do that. Yeah, so save, then refresh right here. Then you can see Sam said something about the robbery, they stole a lot of money. So you can obviously see the quotes around it here as well. So we could go through the bi-directional tag. So right here just write BDO, then then DRI, which stands for directional, then we could write RTL. So it means so it's gonna go to the right. So it's gonna say the text to the right. So just right here, the wall was bad. Then just do the closing bi-directional tag. So right here, it says, oh yeah, I can't read that, but yeah. So it technically says what it says here. The wall was bad. So we so it's written to the right. Then we could get another tag in here as well. So BDO, then right, direction LFL. So it'll just say the wall was bad normally, as you can see here. On it, save here, then refresh, then the wall was bad right here. So yeah, today we went through the block quotes, the quotes, and the bi-directional tag. So let's go through comments now. So here we could just do it right here. So for the comments, we can just write here the open bracket, exclamation mark, then a few lines, then underneath is a paragraph, and then just do this here and then closing. So these are comments, so they're good for like marking something or just pointing something out where it is. So we could just do the same thing under here as well. So open bracket, open arrow bracket, then exclamation mark, few dashes, then right, there is a bi-directional line underneath me, then and then a few more dashes, and then yeah. So as you could see there, so if we saved it and refresh it, you can't see it saying underneath is a paragraph, like right here. You can't see it there either here as well. So they're very useful. So let's go on to the HTML questions. So here are the HTML questions. So number 1, what tag is it used for block quotes? Number 2, how many directions are there when using the bi-directional tag? And number 3, why are comments useful? So as always, it's going to be in medium, easy, medium, and hard. So I'll give you a few seconds. So hopefully you answered all these questions, and let's get on to the answers. So here are the answers. So number 1, the block quote. So that should be straightforward. So hopefully you get that right. Number 2, there are 2 directions when using the bi-directional tab, the left and the right. So if you get that right. And number 3, comments are useful because you can take notes on a specific thing in specific things in HTML. So hopefully you get that right as well. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more videos like these in the future. Thank you.